Today we're going to talk about the HM415 bite limiter mulcher, a recent addition to our work tool attachments. Along with the mulcher, to get to performance, it's got a dual speed motor. It gives you very efficient cutting in all materials. It has a color-coded pressure gauge on the back. It gives you 3 color applications, a yellow, green, and a red. That allows the operator, as he's felling a tree or working down a tree, it allows him the ground speed. As he moves forward and increases the pressure, the gauge is going to lock in close to 4,000 psi, knowing that that's the position that the operator needs to be in for efficiency. Also with this mulching head is this heavy-duty adjustable push frame. You'll notice the pins into the center of this that allows an operator to come in, get ready to make his cut, and it will allow him to help steer the trees as they're moving them down to fell. Moving around to the front of the machine, we're going to talk a little bit about the new bite limiter. It's a chisel tooth style that has disc plates around the rotor. The purpose of the bite limiter plates are to prevent the operator from becoming too aggressive going into the cut. Also, our adjustable skid plates. You can adjust the depth of the height of your rotor by bolting and loosening this plate here on the ground. The HM415 bite limiter also has 2 compartments. With the cat lockable key, we'll open it and allow for the operator to service the motor on this side, and with the compartment on the other side, it acts as a toolbox as well as storage for your OMM manual. On the safety side of the HM415, we have serrated welded-on steps that allows the operator good sure footing on all weather conditions to get in and out of the cab. On the bottom of the HM415 is a set of chains that are there to dampen the blow of material as it may try to come out from the back of the tool. For more information on the HM415 bite limiter, as well as other work tool attachments, visit your local cat dealer.